Hi guys, day 34 building in Notion. So now I'm working on product page in Gumroad, and it's not that easy as I thought, because you have to have banners, nice pictures, you have to align everything, colors. It's a lot. So now I mostly finished with all of the pictures, and also I want to add gifs that will show me like 6 seconds gif that will show me all the different colors of the template that I have, and to just put it on top so the user can see that I have different colors, so you can pick up any you like. And I still figure out how to do it, because I tried to just record a video and paste it, but Gumroad doesn't allow you to paste the link from the Google Drive, so it's really annoying. I still have to figure out the way how do I create this GIF. So yeah, that's the focus for today, just trying to make the Gumroad product page really nice, so when the user comes it looks pretty and makes you buy. This is the focus for today, and see you tomorrow.